Hey, it's Gardening with Granny, and today I want to talk with you about what can you grow in the winter. Well, here in Michigan, it is extremely cold. Let me just turn the camera around and you can see for yourself. So here we are right outside my window, and you can see what I have in here are some jugs, and I'm doing what's called winter sowing. Now, during the winter, you can put soil in these jugs and seeds and put them out in the winter, and they will do their thing. When it's the time is right, they will actually grow and create plants. So that's a very exciting. This is my first year doing winter sowing, and I'm pretty excited about it. I hope that you can enjoy some winter sowing, and that while you're doing it, you can check out all the birds and activities and watch them, like I do, eat the snow and the fallen apples. Sometimes our tree will hang on to its apples, and the birds are very grateful for that because they get to eat on them. So here's Gardening with Granny for another really quick moment of what can you do in the winter for gardening.